because I just like the way that it, I like the way that, there we go. Hi guys. So as you can see, I am completely normal. We are celebrating my 100th video today with a basic, everyday makeup tutorial. I saw this from Raw Beauty Christie, but she got it from Jamie French, I believe her name is, and she got it from someone on Instagram. So there is a very long list of people who this has been inspired by, and I'm one of them. So we're just gonna go through all the basic routines of getting ready for the day with completely average 2-year-old hands. And as you can see, they're very elegant and buttoned up, very suave. You know, keep it classy here on my channel, y'all. I ran out of my L'Oreal Infallible, so I have to go and use a different foundation today. We are using, what is this? Is this L'Oreal still? What are you? Yeah, this is still L'Oreal. It's just the Lumi True Match. My color it. What? Yes. So easy. So flawless. This is the most flawless facial application I've ever done. Completely blended. Alright, I'm just gonna tap this on first because the Beauty Blender just, you know, that's just not working. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's perfect for nose crevices. What are you talking about? It's perfect. Like, I'm gonna look so good. You're gonna be like, wow. Seriously? And I'm gonna be like, seriously. I need you to have articulated fingers. I mean, today is obviously a glam day. Perfect. So now we're gonna do concealer, and I think I'm gonna go in also with the L'Oreal concealer. I got this. I got this. Damn it. Okay. Damn it. Okay, so this is now completely dry. Yep, that's perfect coverage. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Wave. High five. Yes. Oh, your hands are bigger than mine. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I lost my hand. It's in my shirt. Just blend, blend, blend. Blend until your fingers bleed. It's much easier if you actually just roll it. Yeah, just roll it. Alright, so just roll it under there. Oh yeah! Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. Oh, there's my finger. That is beyond perfect. Now for the coolest part ever, eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm going in with ABH brow pomade. It's just some fermented grape juice. It's no big deal. Oh, no, 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 no. Remember, sisters, not twins. I mean, you want to add some, you know, stray hairs in the front of your brow to make them look more natural. So just add those and you've got like the most natural brows ever. You can't deny this perfection. Alright, so we are gonna carve out our brows, make them sharp, I am using P. Louise base in Rumor 2 on a Bare Minerals shading brush because I just like the way that it, I like the way, there we go. I like the way that it's rounded on the tip and is able to cut that crease really nice. And oh, I am good. What?
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 What? Okay, demon. Okay, we're gonna do a really, really fun eye look today. We are going in with just my Luck palette. It's beautiful and completely wearable for spring. So we're gonna do some deeper olive green looks here. And then I'm going to put some Jelly Mush right in the center with a little bit of glitter to add some sparkle, because y'all know me in glitter. And if you don't know me in glitter, like, you must be new to my channel. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. The blend. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, this is just stunning. So pigmented and just blendable. This is such a beautiful color, Colourpop! Alright, so I am going to go in and deepen up that outer corner with Charmed. Alright, you just really want to add some depth to that outer corner. And just some more dimension to your look. Yes. Oh, yeah. Stunning. Now the fun part. We are going in with a Jelly Much shadow. And the color that we are going in with is this beautiful antique gold. I'm just going to tap this on right on the center of my lid with my finger, because this is really something that you have to feel. Brushes, but you heard her. Finger! Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this color. Oh. It's beautiful, look. Oh my god. Oh, this is like a green antique gold. I love it! Oh, and it's just so easy to apply. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Okay. Alright, now while this is still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and add a dab of glitter to the center. Oh, it's so, that just adds, that's just like the cherry on top. So, so beautiful. Yes. In case I didn't tell you, I am going in with NYX Glitter Brilliance, and it's in this really beautiful gold color. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my inner corner, and then we're going to line our eyes, and I'm going to apply some mascara. So, I'm going in with Mary Jane, which is this beautiful lime green from the Colourpop palette. And I'm just going to, right here. Woo! That is pretty. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I feel so beautiful. I mean, I think I want a pretty significant wing, so we're gonna try and do this pretty quickly. You can't be a perfectionist at everything, but with wings, that's where I draw the line. Yes. Oh my god, that looks so good. Sometimes I just, you know, like to give myself some beauty marks. I mean, I've always wanted a beauty mark there, so. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh, yes. These are some of the best wings I have ever done in my life. I mean, they're flawless. Like, you guys. Wow. That looks so good. I mean, you really just, all you need is just the top of it. That's where most of the product is anyways, is just this top part. I mean, that's really just all you need. Whew. Now for my favorite part. I love bronzing and contouring, and then blush, highlight, and finally lips. And y'all, this masterpiece is complete. So, Crystal, I know that you just bought these because I told you to. You're welcome. And I'm just going to show you a really easy way how to use these. So, you really just want to make sure this edge is right under your cheekbone and sweep up. It's the perfect, like, angle. It's so beautiful for bronzing. It just fits in all the grooves of your face. I mean, it's perfect. Crystal, you're gonna love them. I'm so excited for you to get them. And then it's really nice and fluffy, so you can get like everything else. Oh, and down here, oh, it fits perfect. Like, look, it just fits so perfectly in the groove of your neck, so you can just look so flawless. Perfect. All right, we're done with bronzer, and it just gives you the perfect contour line. And then I like to take it down my nose right here, and then the other side. And then I like to do this side. You can go down, you can go up. I do a little bit on my jawline because I don't have a jaw. A little bit in the hairline, you know. I'm going in with Pixi by Petra Blush in Beach Rose. Not too much. Like, this is more about the eyes, so you don't want too much blush. Just a light smattering. Don't worry about that glitter fallout. I mean, it's just going to add to your look. For highlighter, I'm going in with ABH in Amrezy. It's a really beautiful gold. Don't worry about all the mascara on my sleeves, you guys. Like, it's just part of the fashion. I feel this needs a really pretty, beautiful, vampy lip. I'm gonna go in with this color by Colourpop. I don't know what it is. I'll put it in the description below. Oh, yes. Ooh, yes. This is so beautiful. I mean, wow. Oh, look, my nail polish just matches my lips. I just really gotta get that butthole. I mean, it's the worst part of it. All right, you guys, there's the final look. I mean, that pretty much sums it up. You know those days where your makeup is just like amazing and you're like, I can conquer the world in this makeup? That's today, and I'm a goddess. Oh, yeah, I meant to do that, so don't worry about that. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me this long, but also staying on my channel and not unsubscribing. But also, I have a very special Mother's Day video coming out. It's going to have a sneak peek of a very special item that I think you all are going to love. I got it just for you guys, and it is big, like huge. So make sure to click that bell so you know exactly when I put that video up, so you can see my gift to you guys. But that is all I have for my 100th video. I hope you guys enjoyed my exquisite face and my masterful makeup skills. That is all I have for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!